I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime with some really easy steps. So what you're going to be needing is, you're going to be needing a plastic container. This one right here, this block container. Has to have a lid. You need a spoon to mix with. Food coloring. I have these neon ones. And you need Tide. I have some Tide here if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's Tide. And then I got some Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue. So let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the cap of the glue. And I'm going to pour the glue, and I'm going to pour some glue in. So I'm going to pour in about that much. That one. And then I'm going to pick a food coloring. So we can also make colors, and it shows it at the back. So I'm going to see what colors we have. We have red, this color actually, this one actually makes red. We have some purple. We have some green, light green, and some light blue. I'm gonna look at the colors on the back and see what we can make. We can make a dark purple, that's the first one. The next one is like not really a teal, but a little light green. The second one's orange, and the last one is a teal. I want to make the teal at the bottom. So it says that we need 3 drops of blue and 1 drop of green. We're going to get our food coloring out. 1, 2, 3. And then 1 drop of green. One. Then I'm going to mix these with my spoon. Wow, it has a super duper nice color. It's a really beautiful teal. So pretty. Okay, I love this color. So I want to mix colors. I like it. I love mixing colors just like that. Gonna add some red in it. Make it a little bit pinky. One. Well, let's go back to that teal color. Nice. And then I want to add some purple. Ooh, too much. Whoopies. That means I gotta poop. 1 green. 2 more blue. And then mix it. Mix it to get the nicest color ever. It's turning into this dark bluey. Now I want to make it purple. Okay, yeah, this is better. See, it's turning purple. I want to get a closer look at it. This needs more purple. It needs lots of purple. Just to get the nice purple that you want, you're gonna want to add lots of purple. add so much more. I just really want that nice purple color. There we go. 2 more and it'll be done. More like 10 more. If you guys see it, it's a really nice purple. Now, I'm gonna go get a tissue or Kleenex. So I just got 2. Just in case we need to clean anything. So I'm just gonna clean this spoon so we can get the tide. So we have our tide here. This one. We're gonna go a little bit at a time. You can see it's forming. So cool. Oh, and you're gonna want to keep the container, like, just put the slime in, or if you have a different container, and put the slime in there. Kind of a little bit more. Because we don't want anything sticky.
Oh, you're gonna videotape the race?
This is not sticky. Good.
These are actually very cool. We're gonna have a race with the cars?
No, we're gonna have a race.
And if you're hearing voices in the background, that's my brother and my dad. They're just doing Lego. Purple.
Then why you put some orange and red and a green
So cool. Look at this. I'm gonna put the hole under it.
And this
Yeah, go. It's not sticky.
Mama, never made her slime sticky.
So we're gonna have to knead it for a little.
That's your slime. It's so sticky.
No, it's not. I gotta add more tide.
Ew. What is that? What is Tide?
Detergent.
What is detergent?
Stuff that you put in the washer.
So sticky, Mariam.
No, it's not, Leanne.
Then why are they making it purple?
Oh. Because, like, the color. You don't want to knead it, and once you knead it,
I just did one more thing on it.
that's...
Should we play with that slime?
Yeah, but not now.
Why? Because it's sticky?
I have to mix it first, yeah. Just gonna get this off. Go, Leanne.
What is squashing?
Okay.
Why are they making your slime purple? I love pink.
Well, this is not your slime. This is my slime.
I make me a slime. You make me a slime?
Yep. That.
Can you make me slime after yours? Could you?
You have to ask Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy, Daddy.
So this needs a little more glue.
Can you make me slime after her slime?
Because sometimes if you put too much tide,
Don't mix them up. Put the rest in the box.
No. Wait, Mom, I need to tell you something.
because if you put too much, it's okay. If you put too much tide, it could wreck. So
You made it.
I needed a head and the other diffuser at the party.
Leanne, don't tell her.
Why do you need more of that?
Oh no,
That.
I need another. Okay. Mama,
Why do they got for slime? Why I see some blue medium. I see some blue. Why has some blue medium? Why you tell us your slime that we're not gonna never get you new slime.
It's okay.
I wanna make you slime.
It's almost done. Slime. It's just we have to knead it a lot to get it on. So it's slime. It might not be stretchy if you put too much glue in it, but if you knead it a lot, it'll turn into slime.
How it turns slime?
See how it's not sticky anymore, so I'm just gonna get
All the purple, all the blue and purple color.
so we have had
Daddy, you think that the dollies are not mine?
I know the dollies are not here.
Mama, when we're done it, don't stop the video. We're gonna show something having a race.
Daddy,
There you go.
Daddy, I need some.
You have your slime. Really nice and neat.
You mean like,
Daddy, that takes far.
can you say
I know.
are you gonna be done?
It's like the other slime.
So cool. So this is a really easy and simple method on how to make slime with stuff that you have at home. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I want to get to at least like 100 thumbs up. So see you next time. Bye.